Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today on this beautiful Memorial Day, we're going to make our voyage cut on the Allett Kensington 20H. You've seen me use the Scarifier multiple times. I'm going to put the reel on, get my first reel cut. I've tried to wait till my yard thickened up, greened up some and filled in before I got the reel on it. It's been a couple of weeks since I did some Verti-mulching up here with some Miramichi green to fill in these little bare spots. Let's see if you can see it on the camera. We'll walk out there. The Bermuda's actually looking really green. You can see the areas starting to fill in good. This is the landing pad from the slide we had up there. This is almost covered already. Over here by the tree, so you can see this is really starting to cover. You can see it in the shade here. Over here by the tree, we have some Bermuda slowly moving its way across. You can still see some of the black Miramichi green that we put down. Overall, I'm happy with the results. We've had some good rain. Plan to swap out the Scarifier cartridge with the new reel and get our first mow in for the season. Perfect. That's all. What you want to do is you want to make sure do the paper cut on each corner here, and also on the center. Make sure even contact between the reel and the bed knife. I did the blade to bed knife check on the cartridge before it was mounted on. It's always good to, tilt your mower back and double check it again. Make sure it didn't get knocked off, while you're installing the cartridge. Since the blade is really sharp, let me put my gloves on. We'll do a quick check of it. And it's cutting great all the way across. 3 perfect cuts. That's what makes the cartridge so nice. You can actually calibrate it, before you get down on the ground. Then you have paper to clean up. I've been keeping the backyard mowed with the rotary mower, cut to 1 1/4. Right here, you can see the numbers here: 4, 3. Number 4 is actually 1 1/4. 3 is at 1 inch. So I'm going to start off possibly on 4, just to see if it gets anything. If not, then I'll lower it down. As you can see, it's taking a little bit off the top, not much, but it's good for a first go around. Overall, not too bad. It's already cut pretty short, so I lowered it to 1 inch. You can see a little bit of striping going on here. I did notice a lot of bumps in it, so I'm definitely gonna have to do some top dressing, kind of level it up some. It'll be a lot better once these areas completely fill in. Now let's move to the front yard, see what we can do.